This is just a short video to demonstrate Sire Advice now being available on the HerdPlus app. On your home screen, please click on Applications and then click on Sire Advice. Here you will be asked to enter in your mobile number to receive the Sire Advice report by WhatsApp. It will also be emailed at the end as well once you've made a fully successful Sire Advice run. So click Yes to proceed. Here you can select females for breeding. Here you can assign cows for default, for sexed or for beef. You can use the various filters there to identify cows for sexed, for example, or heifers. Please enter in your preferred AI start date that you intend to use the sexed on. In terms of the females, that'll be typically heifers, and you can just narrow down the filter there to 0 lactation animals, hit save settings, and obviously the heifers will be picked out as follows. For beef, obviously the lower EBI cows can be selected for beef, and so on and so forth. The default is basically conventional AI, and the cows selected for that, and then along the top of the filters there you can see there the various cows and categories where you have the cows, and click finish once you're completely satisfied with your cows you mark for dairy and for beef. You can also select the dairy beef enabled option, which will also generate a reserve or a standby dairy beef mating. That's for farmers maybe who typically finish their dairy AI breeding after maybe 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 weeks, and you can convert over to beef only matings at the end. On the next screen you can have the facility here to select your own bulls from your own team guidelines, or alternatively here you can manually add in your own bulls as well that you've chosen there from your AI catalogs there, for example. So you can select the add bulls manually option there. You can add in the beef bulls or dairy bulls, whatever the case may be, and type in your AI codes and then proceed to the next screen or stage. You can also, similar to your females, select by AI company, preferred breed, pedigree, non-pedigree, etc. And obviously selecting the better EBI bulls, and the various EBI trait filters, they are all available to you there to make a successful Sire Advice run. You can also select the beef bulls using the same filters or criteria, AI company, breed, etc. there, and you can go in then and complete your Sire Advice run.